Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the items Chrome needs, sign into the primary profile you will change, and keep other profiles closed. Once done, make sure developer or enterprise install permissions are enabled on managed devices. This avoids blockers. Then locate the CRX file or the Chrome Web Store extension ID and draft the small policy JSON that points Chrome to that ID. I'll show you why each step matters. Precise prerequisites prevent permission errors and make the one-click rollout predictable. You now build the one-click installer that applies the policy JSON. First, assemble a manifest containing the extension ID, update URL, and target version. This tells Chrome what to install and where to fetch updates. Next, wrap that JSON into a single-click script or create an MSI/PKG that writes the policy to the correct registry or preferences location. Make sure to sign the package. Unsigned installers are blocked. Once wrapped, test in a disposable profile so you can iterate without affecting users. You're ready to deploy. Run the one-click installer and watch the console for success codes or error lines. After it finishes, open Chrome, //extensions to verify the extension is installed and enabled, then test core features. If something fails, triage by checking applied policies, confirming the extension ID and update URL match, and verifying the package signature and permissions. Also review Chrome logs for policy load errors. That single tip usually reveals registry or JSON formatting issues that stop the install.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.